Well, my bird came earlier than expected. It was supposed to come on like the 23rd, and then I just got the notification that said it was like 13 minutes ago saying that this thing arrived, and I was like, what the hell? And then I looked to see at the door, so then I saw this, and I'm like, oh my god, yay! So now we're gonna open it. There it is! Yep, Polydines. Oh my god. Wow, okay. Wait. How am I gonna get it out? I don't want to break him. Oh, am I supposed to kind of build it? There we go. Oh, that like attaches. Oh my god, there he is. Hold on, Kyle. I'm recording right now. What a doof. Oh god, am I stupid? Oh, yes I am. Oh my god, wow. I don't know why I was thinking about using kid scissors for a second. I don't think I'm gonna put in all his phrases though, because I know this is the adult talking, 18 plus, you know, Polly the insulting parent. I don't know what he's gonna say first, so I mean, at some point maybe I'll do like a demo video of it, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Can this go either way? Is it supposed to go a certain way? Because there like aren't instructions or anything, but remove old batteries. Are the batteries already in this? Yeah, warning, this is an adult product, not suitable for children, blah blah blah. Not intended for use as a toy. Sound chip uses coarse language. That may be offensive. But anyway, the reason why I got this, I discovered this thing like... Are there 2 battery compartments on this? Like, look, that's the bottom. Located on the base unit under Polly's tail is an on and off switch. Okay. Okay. So it is motion activated. I'm assuming this little dot here, right there, is like his sensor. But yeah, I just discovered this. And I was like looking at a bunch of crap. Oh, there it is. So it's off right now. But anyway, so I saw a video of this, and I was like, oh my god, this is the greatest thing ever. Now I have to find one. And I found one. And I got it, and I had to because I thought it was just funny, so that's what I did. Yeah. Okay. So.
No. No.
He's a lot smaller than I imagined it. I didn't think he was going to be like this tiny. Because I know he like flaps his wings and moves his mouth, but... hello. Why isn't it working? Well, the batteries are in the right way. Yeah, I'll figure it out, but maybe at some point I'll do a demo video with this, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks for watching.